Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you thinking of creating and selling online courses but can't decide between Skillshare and Teachable? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the key differences to help you choose the best platform for your online course needs. Let's start with Skillshare. It's a subscription-based platform where instructors can publish their courses, but the earnings are a bit different. You can earn through a royalty system based on the number of minutes watched by premium subscribers. This means more exposure for you, but it can take time to build a steady income. Graphics of Skillshare interface, subscription based model, label, and a user interface showing course stats. The benefit: Skillshare's built in community, ease of use, and great marketing tools. You get the opportunity to reach thousands of students without needing to build your own audience from scratch. Now let's look at Teachable. It's a more traditional platform where you can create and sell courses on your own terms. With Teachable, you have a full control over pricing, sales, and branding, giving you the chance to build a more direct relationship with your students. The downside: it requires more effort to drive traffic to your courses since Teachable doesn't have a built-in audience like Skillshare. But if you are ready to put in the marketing work, you can potentially earn significantly more per course sale. So, which platform is right for you? If you want built in marketing and an easy start, Skillshare might be the way to go. But if you are ready to take control, create your own pricing structure, and build your brand, Teachable offers more freedom and potential profits. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.